my channel. Today I am going to be doing a review on the DermaBlend foundation. Sorry, I don't know why I can't speak this morning. I heard that this foundation was really good, full coverage, very lightweight. This one, they do not use any oil or water. They use kind of like a silicone gel. It is, so I wanted to try it out. I am in the color 37W. So let's see. It says if you want minimum coverage, do 1 drop, and then 2, 3, and 4 if you want like full coverage. Sorry, I just got out of the shower, so my hair is everywhere, but we are going to pin it up so that I can do my makeup with my clips. I'm gonna look crazy, but that's okay, because it's gonna look nice after. Okay. So for I am going to be using this dewy skin mist from Tasha. I really love this, but I can't find it anymore. So if you guys know where I can get some more, please let me know. I got this from Sephora, I think, when they had like their little bottle as samplers. So it says shake well before use. Okay, so I am going to just dab it on my face like so. Does the dropper work? Let me see. The dropper is not really good, so I'm just gonna use this all over my face. I don't know how many drops that is, but it should be considered 1 if I'm just using this, right? Go in with my Morphe M444. Like I said, pounce it in your hands first because overnight it gets cold, so it like freezes up. Here we go. And the areas that I crease is around my lip, my nose, and my forehead because of all the facial expressions. But let's just hope that this foundation is good. It doesn't crease me. And I think this is a pretty good color for me. It matches my skin. Flawlessly. I gotta say, it's very lightweight. It's not oily at all. It feels like a silicone. I forgot who it was, but they have like a primer that was like silicone based. That primer was good, but I don't remember who is the maker. What do you guys think? after I put on the foundation, I'm just gonna go in with a little blush because I don't want to look dead, and then also highlight. But this foundation claims that it safely covers imperfections, redness, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, which that's why I want to cover, is I have redness on my nose and dark circles under my eyes. And it says wear with DermaBlend setting powder for up to 16 hours of smudge and transfer resistance. I went to Ulta and I got the setting powder, but I wanted to try this by itself to see how long it lasts and if I crease before I try that with the foundation. And it says it is good for all skin types. It says easy application, shake well, multi-use, wear alone or mix with skincare, finger blend or buff with brush. That's nice to know before you try the foundation. And I did follow instructions because I use a brush. I believe this one was $40 at Ulta, and all I've heard is good things about it, and that's why I wanted to try it. I'm gonna go in with my MAC, let me see here, Warm Soul blush again. Just to give me a little color. And then my Becca Champagne Pop. My fingers again. Into the highlights of my cheekbones. I like this one, and I like the Soft and Gentle from MAC. That one is really good. Really, really pretty. Nose, here we go. Gotta get that, skinny nose. And then I'm just gonna do my eyebrows and my mascara off camera, so you guys don't have to sit here for the next 10 hours just to watch me do that. And I am going to do my hair, and we'll see how the foundation is throughout the day. It is roughly around 8 o'clock right now, because we have to get up early and cook for my husband's side of the family's Christmas. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm not gonna be doing any running around errands today. Just gonna be cooking over the hot stove. So let's see how this foundation holds for today. And I'll see you guys back in a few hours. Right now is about 6 o'clock. So I've had the foundation for about 10 hours. And the only really creasing is just right under my eye here. Up here didn't crease too bad. And then like where I scratch my nose, that's where I crease. But other than that, it is pretty good. So I would rate this foundation a 10 out of 10 because it was very lightweight and I didn't get oily or anything. I cooked, soup, so I was over a hot stove for about 2 to 3 hours. I also cooked sausages, so and did a lot of chopping, and it stayed. I had some like juice splatter on my face, and I just wiped it off. And yeah, the makeup stayed, so that's why I would give it a 10 out of 10. I do really like it. I wanted to try the other ones, like the dew droppers. I want to try that one. But when I went to Ulta and I looked at it, it wasn't really pleasing. So that's why I didn't get it. But now I'm kind of like, maybe I should. And my hair is crazy because I'm about to take this makeup off my face and go to bed. That is all that I have for you guys. I don't have anything else. Just want to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of you guys. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave it in a comment down below. Other than that, that's all I have. See you guys again in the next video. Bye.